In this video, we'll be walking through the Monday hierarchy, which means we'll see how different levels of data, like workspaces, folders, and boards, are organized, and how they interact with each other within Monday. Let's start with some theory. We have our Monday.com account, and all the data in this account is organized in a simple hierarchical system. We have workspace, then folders, subfolders, and finally dashboards, boards, and Workdocs. Let's see how it looks in practice. We will be navigating through the different elements of the hierarchy here. If you don't see this panel, click here. First, we have the workspace. This is the broadest category in this hierarchy. In this case, I used workspaces to divide departments in Monday. So I have a workspace for the sales department, a workspace for the marketing department, etc. You can browse workspaces in this drop-down menu. You have your workspaces and the workspace you collaborate on. You can also click on Browse All and see all workspaces in your account. To change the workspace you are using, just click on the workspace where you want to go. If you want to add a new workspace, click here on Add Workspace. Inside the workspace, we can have folders, which can help you to organize better. In this case, I'm in the marketing department workspace, and there are folders which refer to different areas of the marketing department's operations. For example, we have a folder for managing social media and a folder for marketing campaigns. If you want to add a new folder to your workspace, click on this plus sign and choose Add New Folder. Within these folders, we can have subfolders. Subfolders provide a more detailed level of organization. For example, you can break down your projects into more manageable parts. Just like here, we have one folder for marketing campaigns, and within it, we have subfolders for individual marketing campaigns. If you want to add a new subfolder inside your folder, just add a new folder and drag this folder inside another folder. Now let's talk about where the actual work in Monday happens. Boards, dashboards, Workdocs. You can store all of these either directly in workspaces or within folders and subfolders. Let's start with boards. In Monday, a board is the central place where you can manage items. These items could be projects, tasks to do, leads, clients, and basically any other type of data you want. Boards are divided into groups, and you can add items to each of these groups. You can also see columns on the board. The columns store data related to the item. On this example board, we have columns specifying the task status, the task deadline, and the persons assigned to the task. Each of the items on our board can have sub-items, and the sub-items data is stored in the columns. Finally, you can add updates to both items and sub-items, which can be used, for example, for communication with your team members. Let's move on to dashboards. A dashboard in Monday is a customizable high-level view of multiple boards. It allows you to pull data from multiple boards and then use widgets to see an overview of this data. Widgets could be charts, numbers, timelines, and more. Let's also talk about Workdocs. Workdocs in Monday are essentially collaborative documents. You can add different elements to Workdocs, such as text, images, files. You can also share Workdocs with other users, so you'll be able to work together there. If you want to add a board, dashboard, or Workdoc to your workspace, click on this plus sign and choose New Board, New Dashboard, or New Doc. It's also worth mentioning that you can move your boards, dashboards, Workdocs, folders, and subfolders within your workspace. To do this, just click, hold, and drag, or hover over a given element. Click on the three dots, click Move to Folder, and choose the folder. You can also move your boards, dashboards, Workdocs, folders, and subfolders to another workspace by hovering over, clicking on the three dots, clicking Move to Workspace, and choosing the workspace. Okay, before we finish, I've got one more thing for you. If you are a new user of Monday and not yet fully familiar with all its features and the platform as a whole, I encourage you to watch our Monday Beginner's Guide. It's a free video guide in which we go through the essential elements and features of Monday.com. It will give you a general idea of what you can do with Monday and how to set up and use your Monday account. To get our Monday Beginner's Guide, click on the link in the description of this video, and it will direct you to our website where you can access the guide for free.